Today's video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to edit. Now I'm gonna teach y'all how to add music to your video. And what you want people to see and what you don't want people to see. Hey babes, it's your girl Kay and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to edit. If you're new to YouTube, like if you just started your channel, editing is usually like the hardest part. So I'm gonna give y'all some tips and let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is an adapter. You can buy one probably off Amazon or Best Buy, something like that. You need this to hook your SD card to your devices and get all the videos that this SD card have. I already did that part, but yeah, that's what you need to do first step. Usually people edit off probably their computers. I can't do it off my computer. I don't know, I'm just not comfortable with that. Like, I can't get into it with that. I feel like on my iPad or on my phone, my fingers just move a little faster, so it's easier to get that done. But yeah, so today I'm gonna show y'all off my iPad. So yeah, hook this to any device you have, get all them videos out of there, and then it's gonna automatically save to like your camera roll. After that, we're gonna open up CapCut. Let me press screen record. Ooh. Oh, I didn't mean to take that screenshot, y'all. We're gonna open up CapCut and then put all those videos you had into CapCut, right? So that's already what I did. I already have my intro here, so I gotta get that. It's usually all the way at the end. Okay, here it goes. So delete that CapCut screen. They don't need to see that. That's not that important. Get your intro, drag it to the front, because that's what everybody needs to see first. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start editing. So usually I edit through my whole video first, and then once I find like the clips and parts I like, I'm gonna make that the beginning, like the little trailer, I guess you could call it, until you get into it. So my intro is gonna play. Here I'm gonna do a transition. I'm hoping it's recording. Click the little slash here. It's gonna give you like beaucoup transitions. I usually do like the pull-in. And with the pull-in, I like to do that little sound effect sound. So you can go to audio, you're gonna do sound FX, and it's usually the whoosh one, but I like the deep one. This one, yeah. So you're gonna add that here, then try to like play with it, because it has to be perfect. When it does that transition, you want to hear that sound. So editing does take a while. Like, usually I do this in my bed, find like a comfortable spot to edit and really just narrow it down and get it done. Like, the quicker you get your video done, you don't have to worry about it. Usually I can finish in like a day, so hopefully today I finish. If not, this is probably, I would say next week problem, but I want this video out by next week. So hey babes, it's your girl Kay. Hey babes, it's your girl Kay, and I'm back with another video. We're gonna be doing a wash and go using this mousse, because the girls on TikTok says this is the stuff. They just been using this and apparently it works. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach y'all how to add music to your video. One, you do not have to screen record. I've seen a lot of comments, people saying they screen record videos to get the music. You don't have to do that. I don't have the patience for that. I don't do that. This is what I do. First, you're gonna go to YouTube. You're gonna search vlog music, copyright free. Don't be picking people's songs and that's really them, like on the songs or whatever, like the real copyrighted versions. Then you're gonna get sued and they're gonna take your money, and that's your problem. Don't do that. Yeah, copyright free. Search through some of them, find the songs that like relates to you and your video, whatever you like. I want this one, so I'm gonna click share, and then I'm gonna copy the link. Okay, then after that we're gonna go to Safari, Google, Chrome, whatever you got, search up this up here. That's too long, y'all see it, search that up. Where it says enter the YouTube URL, you're gonna copy and paste and then press fetch video. My internet doesn't like me today, it's gonna take some time. You're gonna hit get link and then you'll hit download. It's gonna take a while to download, probably like a minute or two. Then you'll click download again. Okay, from there it's gonna open up in files, and then there it goes. This is the whole video on your device. Then we're gonna go back to CapCut. I gotta go to the part where I want the music to start, so it's gonna be this part. You go to audio, you go to, I think it's extract. Nope, don't go to extract, that's fucking wrong. Go to sound effects. Nope, don't go to that, that's wrong. Oh, here you go. You go to sounds, you go to files, device, and then find the video. So it's gonna be this one, and I'm gonna click open, and then that's my video. And now it's on my stuff. So usually I do a fade in. Yeah, and make sure you mute your video, because you just want them to hear the music. Like you don't want them to hear the background of what's going on in the real video. And yeah, that's how it's gonna look. And again, play around with it, see what you like, cut out stuff. You can fast forward this if you want. That's what I might do. So you'll go to speed, normal, and then put it up to whichever amount you want, or you can make it slower. But yeah, then it's gonna look something like that. And yeah, I'm gonna come back when I have something else to show y'all. I don't know what else more to show y'all, honestly, but I'm gonna come back. Okay, now I'm about to teach y'all how to add text to the video. So you're gonna go to text, you're gonna press add text, and then you can play around with the fonts or whatever, but I'm using Shadow Beamer, and I'm gonna type okay, so that's what I want to say. You could play around like with the styles. You could do stroke, oh nope, I don't want that, I want it pink, glow, background, shadow, all that. Just play around with it if you want. Next I'm gonna go to animations. So you can do a typewriter kind of font, bouncing letters. Again, you have to play around, see what you like. I think I'm gonna do, I don't even know, that one was kind of cute. So my camera died when I was trying to teach y'all how to do the text thing, but it was still rolling. So I don't know the last thing you guys seen or the last thing I even said. So I'm gonna see if I have to add text somewhere else or not. What I'm about to show y'all is how to do that little, I don't know how to call it, with the little blurt screen, be like I don't know, but y'all about to see anyways. So you're gonna press the little plus sign right here. That's my library, ignore it. We're gonna go to library at the top. So it's this screen right here. They got the little static version, they got the clear one. I always click the clear one. Oop. Make sure it's checked, and you're gonna click add, and then there it goes. So this is how it looks, and then I'm back in screen. So yeah, that's how you do that. Okay, so I already kind of went ahead and edited a little bit. As you can see, this right here is the music, but it's not playing because I didn't need it for the parts that I'm talking. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna drag it to where I want it. So you just click and then you drag, kind of do a little fast forward thing, Then I'm gonna put it where I need it, so whenever I'm not talking, that's when I want the music to start back. So I'm still talking right here. So that's when I got the fast forward part. That's how I know where I want my music to start. Right here. And then again, fade. We're gonna have to fade it in. And then I gotta remember to turn my volume all the way up. Well, into 100. That's the normal one. I can't even get back to 100. There you go. And there you go. If you want the speed a little faster, I don't know if I touch on that, you click the video, you click speed, normal, and then there's your speeds. That's the slowest, 0.1, and then the highest is 100. I always put around 2, sometimes I put around 5, but I wanted my video to keep a little bit of length, so I went with 2. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you guys how to overlay. So usually you add a little overlay if you don't want people to get like bored or whatever, or you feel like they're going to get bored. You want to remind them to like your video, comment, subscribe, all that. So we're going to hit overlay, add overlay, back to the library. We're gonna hit green screen because I gotta teach you how to do it like that. You're gonna click this one. It has the like, the subscribe, and the bell. You click add. There it goes, right? Okay, so with that being on there, you're gonna click, where is it? Remove BG. You're gonna press chroma key, make sure it's on the outside, and then boom, look at it gone. But that, I don't like that it has the outline thing, so you're gonna put our intensity up so you get all that green out. And there you go, and it's on there. So we're gonna play, and then boom, there it goes. So I want to add a pop sound right here with it. So again, we go to audio, we go to sound effects, and then these are our sounds. I want pop, and then there we go. Perfect. And that's how it look, y'all. Perfect. And as you can see, I heard something fall, so my volume on this video must not be down. Okay, what else is there for me to teach y'all? I'm thinking, y'all, give me a sec. When you edit, make sure you take your time, go through your video at least like 2 times before you post it, because you want it to be somewhat perfect before it goes out into the public. Take your time, do not rush, go over your videos, have fun with it, you know, explore everything CapCut has to offer. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment box, and don't forget to like and subscribe to your girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you all so much. Yeah, bye babes, see you in the next one.